Since its birth in 1975, the PBA has seen a myriad of changes through the years. But if there's one thing that has remained constant, it is the fact that Barangay Ginebra is still the undisputed most popular team in the country. Sila ang crowd darlings dahil sa nabuo nilang never say die disposition sa laro. Pero ang tanong, deserving pa rin bang banggitin ang terminong never say die para ilarawan ang team ngayon? Angkop pa ba ang linya na ito, gaya ng mga movements na ginawa nito in recent years, naging daan para makabuo ang prangkisa ng isang malakas na puwersa sa liga? Kung superior na nga ang lineup mo, parang mahirap nang malagay sa alanganin kung saan aasa ka sa never say die mantra just to survive. Never say die. The three-word phrase that has defined the competitive trait of Ginebra across 5 decades now.
Have to switch and box out, I think we have a very good chance of winning. As of running, well, when we can, we'll run. When we cannot, we'll just set it up. I just hope you stick around because this is going to be one hell of a game.
Ayon sa mga historians at matagal na fans ng PBA, ipinanganak ang taguring Never Say Die ng Ginebra noong October 22, 1985 sa isang laban nila kontra sa Northern Consolidated Cement sa Ultra. In the game, Ginebra's heart and soul Robert Jaworski sustained a busted lip after being hit on the face by an elbow from Jeff Moore. It was a huge and painful injury. The Big J had to leave mid-game and be brought to Medical City for medical attention. Pero ito ang astig. Imbis na mamahinga na lang sa hospital, bumalik pa si Jawo sa game. Di baling malaki na ang lamang ng NCC. Di baling katatahi lang ng kanyang sugat at pwedeng tamaan uli. Because of Big J's remarkable courage, the entire Ginebra squad was inspired to make a huge comeback. Resulta, isang milagrong panalo para sa Ginebra. In a moment of sure defeat, Big J's team proved that as long as there are minutes in the game and there are enough bodies on the floor, the fight will always be worth fighting for. At naging wagi nga ito sa mga fans. Mula noon, naging reputasyon na ng Ginebra ang pagiging isang koponan na hindi umaayaw hanggang sa huli. Ang never say die attitude ay dinala ng lahat ng players na nagsuot ng uniform ng team. From Arnaiz to Baldavid to Mark Agiwa to Japet. Ito ang X-Factor na nagbigay sa kanila ng 15 championships at 30 finals appearances. Siyempre, ang tatak never say die ay tamang-tama sa mga nagdaang Ginebra team dahil sa kanilang pagiging underdog. Lalo na noong panahon ni Big J na hindi naman ganun talaga kalakas ang laruan ng mga individual players. Dahil aminin na natin, karamihan sa mga bata ni Big J noon parang mga role players lang. Ginebra wasn't the most talent-packed team then, so they had to combine perseverance with passion to beat the odds. Fast forward to the present time kung saan halos materialis fuertes na ang Ginebra. Mula sa first 5 hanggang second 5 ay solid na solid, hindi na dehado, lagi nang lamang. Kaya parang awkward na ngang sabihin na ang never say die way of thinking ang ikinabubuhay ng Ginebra sa kasalukuyan. Sa lakas ba naman ng mga players ito, malalagay pa ba sila sa alanganin kung saan kailangan pa din nilang pairalin ang ganitong pag-iisip? Of course, pwedeng sabihin na ang never say die ay isang permanent frame of mind ng team. Gamitin man yan o hindi. Once it is imparted to the players, it can't be taken away from anyone. Still, it's difficult to imagine the current Ginebra unit getting into many situations when its back would be against the wall and it has to extract enough juices from its usual never say die energy generator. Malonzo, Pringle, Standhardinger, Thompson. Not the usual players that the Big J handled in the past for sure. These are dominant individuals who at any given day would not be put easily in many scenarios where they have to show the resolve to refuse to lose simply because they can actually dictate the game in their favor right from the start. For the record, in the 2023-2024 PBA Philippine Cup, the only time Ginebra displayed its true never say die traits was last April 19 when it beat TNT in a hard-fought contest. Of course, it can be remembered that in November of last year, the Gin Kings overcame a 17-point deficit in the first quarter by hitting crucial 3-pointers in the endgame to secure the win against Blackwater Bossing. Also in January of 2024, they figured in a 103-99 escape against NLEX in Albay. Kung tutuusin, wala namang copyright ang Ginebra sa Never Say Die tag. All the other PBA teams can use it as a motivational piece. In fact, sa panahon ngayon na nasa peligrosong tayong liga, kailangan na ng isang bagong team na magpakita din ng parehong never say die mentality. This new team has to be recognized and embraced by the fans. Imagine the kind of new excitement it will generate if one unheralded team suddenly emerged from the pack because of its newfound no quitting, keep trying attitude, and do a repeat of what the 1980s Ginebra accomplished. Needless to say, what fans now are eager to see are teams that could claw their way back after being down for most of the game and pull off victories before the final buzzer. Mas maraming teams ang makagawa nito, mas maganda. Panahon na para sa bagong Never Say Die team na ang pangalan ay hindi Ginebra. Meron ba nito? Bakit naman wala? As long as there are weaker parties that are willing to exceed expectations, there will always be hope for a brand new fan favorite to be discovered. Terra Firma, for example, showed its own brand of Never Say Die spirit when it made a massive comeback against Blackwater 92-91 in the Philippine Cup, while Rain or Shine restored order on its own campaign by winning 5 straight after a 0-4 start. These two ball clubs only need to keep this act of never giving up as a permanent fixture in their game, and the public will surely notice. Never Say Die is a strong catchphrase in sports. Masarap siyang pakinggan dahil sa positibo nitong kahulugan. Kaya naman kahit hindi na ganung kabagay ito sa Ginebra given its current roster of superstars, its presence and meaning must always be felt from the other PBA teams, lalo na yung laging nasa hulihan ng team standings. More importantly, in a season that has experienced telltale signs of the PBA heading towards an endangered future, maybe the Never Say Die mentality needs to be adopted by all the teams as it has become a must-have for everyone's armor of survival.